I,
By any chance, are you on your laptop or phone?
I'm on my I'm on my laptop.
Oh, perfect.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you check the consent form very quickly here
We
in
just
the
send
chat
you
box?
the
Yeah.
consent form.
Okay. Yep. I need access. Should I click on?
You need access? Oh, yeah, right. Because I changed okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Meanwhile,
Hmm.
so we will probably during the session we will ask you to share your screen so that we can see the process and everything.
Okay.
Um, if that's okay with you. And could you probably just introduce yourself and kind of like share what you do and whatever you feel comfortable of sharing with us?
Yeah, sure. My name's Andrew Jang. I'm a software developer at Qualtrics. Right now I'm doing mostly DevOps, but I also do like feature development and just yeah, I've just been doing DevOps for the past few, so that's
Okay.
kind of what I do. Um, I have a master's in computer science, and back then I did like work with bioinformatics, so that's kind of a bit of background.
Oh, perfect. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thanks for
Yeah, you
sharing.
can. Yeah, now you can open the link.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Mm,
Um, the purpose, introduction, and
okay.
yeah.
Is it today?
Hmm. Yeah, you can click the calendar in the box. Yeah,
Yep.
got it. Thank you.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you. Well, thank you for participating with us today. Today, in this session, we will complete up to three tasks, and if there is time, we will probably include a short bonus task. But there are no right or wrong answers. We just mainly want to, and we are not testing your skills or anything. We just want
Mhm.
we want to understand how you normally will, would go through the task, including how you use the documentation, the AI tool search, and other resources that you might usually consult to fix or for debugging and troubleshooting experiences.
Okay.
Please approach the task as you will normally do and feel free to use any tools that you rely on. As you work, we will ask you to think aloud and share what you are doing and what you are thinking. And if something feels unclear or confusing, please mention it. If you have any questions, you are welcome to ask. I might not always jump into guidance since we are interested in how you will typically work through the task. And we will mostly remain quiet and take because we are taking notes and we are capturing the process. But please work at comfortable pace and don't feel rushed. Okay, so we're gonna give you the instruction slides.
Yeah. In the
On
chat box.
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay. Um.
And we will provide you with some credentials for you to sign in into Google Cloud.
Mm,
If you can use an incognito window, that will be ideal so that you can log in into this Google Cloud.
yeah. And can you share your screen, Andrew? Yeah, I can.
And can, oh
Uh.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, we can try.
Okay. Um. Let's see. Content.
Yes.
Oh, let me
Yeah.
set the
Yeah. Can you try to share your screen again? Sorry.
yeah, 1 second. I have
Hmm.
to enable permissions.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Okay.
a I'm a rejoin.
Oh,
Mm.
okay. Mhm.
Oh yeah.
Mm, yeah, timer. Should they rejoin to?
for some reason, right? This is because like systems, the Mac systems permission. Okay, he's coming.
Mhm.
Um,
Yeah, it's
uh,
there we go. Yeah, I didn't
yeah,
have questions.
yeah, thanks.
Um,
Oh, okay.
yeah. Okay.
For June.
We're good now.
No problem. Yeah, in the second slide, there's
Hmm.
a link, Google Cloud Console
Okay.
link. Yeah, and then yeah, maybe you open as a like incognito
Yeah.
window. Mhm.
Yeah, it should be incognito.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Are you familiar with Vertex AI Studio?
I don't think so.
Mhm.
That's fine.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
there's a verification. Do you know
Okay.
who's?
Try another way so that you can enter.
Oh no.
Oh, oh, because the
Yeah.
IP is different from.
Hmm.
Is your phone, Siri,
Hmm?
ending with 81?
Yep, yep, yep. That's my
Yeah,
phone.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, send the code, try. Oh, that happened. Okay. Good to
Okay,
know.
so the code is 550922.
590922.
55.
My bad.
It's mhm, perfect.
Okay.
Oh, finally. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so we want to briefly introduce Vertex AI Studio, which is a Google cloud product where you can rapidly prototype and deploy your cloud-based mobile apps or web application. Um, so for task one, can you go to right, yeah, right there we have the link to Vertex AI Studio. Mhm.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So,
Right, perfect. So for task one, you are going to create a recipe assistant prototype with Vertex AI Studio. And here is like the hypothetical scenario. You are helping build a new wellness app that includes a feature called Recipe Assistant. Your task is to create a simple visual prototype for the Recipe Assistant feature that suggests healthy meals to users. The goal is to demonstrate how the recipe suggestion will appear to a user, and your prototype should display the recipe title, the list of ingredients, the number of servings, and the step-by-step cooking instructions. And you might use any tools that you need. And yeah, please just share with us what you're thinking and kind of like as you go through, just say like what are your next steps or what you how do you feel? Yeah, whatever you want to share.
Okay.
Yeah, please take your time.
Let's
Mhm.
see. Prototyping this up. So is the so I would use Vertex AI for this.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
so
any other tools that you need. So if you can use Google Cloud documentation and
mm,
any AI tool that you feel comfortable, um,
okay. Yeah.
and you can use it as many times as you want.
Okay. Let's see. So I'm making a application that is, I guess, okay. My goal is to demonstrate how the recipe suggestion would to a user. So I'm thinking this is just a front-end application and recipe assistant feature that suggests healthy meals to users. If it's suggestion, I guess you're using some AI backend.
Mhm.
Um, and then there is going to be some front end. Okay. Um, let's see. I usually start off with some technical documentation. So
Okay.
I guess if I'm supposed to use Vertex AI, I will. Wait, so this is simple visual prototype, so I actually don't need to care about the actual technical. Okay. So vertex, yeah. I guess I have to figure out what this is first. Um, Plus quality. I guess I could do that. What is vertex AI? Scout animals, auto ML, custom trait. Um, Mm, okay. Okay. I guess I just try. Is just alright. Um, uh, Generally with AI prompting, I enjoy essentially actually this is probably easier.
Mhm.
Yeah. Technical documentation. This type display overview area system goals non-goals for prototype user some okay, yeah. So generally I'm not exactly sure what sort of application this is, to be honest. So
Okay.
I can start off with a general example of what sort of application it gets let me check. What sort of application this this could be,
Mhm.
and then read um a possible technical documentation that exists. So let's see. So from here, I will probably get rid of things that I don't really need. So deployments, I don't need. Um, so I feel like um, advanced UI, future AI powered no suggestions. I'm assuming this is actually user features, security considerations. Specific contents. Mm, UI prototype. That's probably not good. Front-end prototype example. Also not good. API, get recipes, get recipe ID, recipe data model. System, data source. Mm, yeah, user flow requests. Okay, this is actually probably the most helpful. Uh, yeah, and then generally just use this to prototype.
Okay.
Quota has been exhausted. Uh-oh. Do I have to use Vertex?
Oh, can you click enable in billing to see if that gives you more access?
Hmm. Data deliveries, BigQuery. Uh-oh. No. I think the service is down.
Yeah,
That is unfortunate.
it is.
Um, it's again. Hmm.
Because it's not letting you do it.
Yeah, I guess flashlight maybe. Does this work? Hmm. Limitations. See. New first API request. Hmm. So it looks like you have to. Did you enable billing for this
I
account?
did. Yeah, I did
Uh,
actually. And we actually had $300 there, so I don't know why it's not letting you do it.
uh-oh.
Hmm.
I think, yeah, the service might be down.
Hmm. Is this account
So,
like for $5 period, right?
No, no, no. This is the.
300?
Mm-hmm. Maybe you know what? Let's send him the link with the $5 one to see if he can
Okay.
purchase
or
from there.
maybe it's because it's the project. So the project needs
Um,
to have, um, so now you can increase,
Hmm.
let's say, requests. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure.
mhm,
There's something that so when I entered this application, it
mhm,
flagged this account as like breaking policy.
mhm, mhm.
Were you working with the Google team on this?
Yes.
Yeah, cloud team.
The Claude team.
Hmm.
Mhm.
Oh no.
Let's see. Let me send you this other link and see if you can access it from there. Oh, um, okay. Uh, to you, in order to use this one, you need to just let's see. Here it is the link. You need to use your own credentials for uh,
Shoot.
yeah, for Google for Gmail,
Okay.
and that will allow you to use Vertex AI.
Sounds good. Sign in.
Yeah, sorry for the confusion.
No problem. Okay. So I'll try. Yeah. Try this. Okay. Yeah, there's something. Hmm. I'll just try a new project.
Yeah, can you just access Vertex AI Studio from from the main menu here?
Vertex now.
Yeah. Mhm. Uh, let's see if it's
Okay.
Okay, there it is.
The let's see. Recipe assistant. Okay. Did I guess that was just this one. Um, oh, okay. Yeah. Wait. Oh no. Can't. Mm,
It's taking a while, but that's good because it's working.
hmm. Yeah. This is how
Ah,
vibe
mean,
coding goes these days.
I know. Yeah. So meanwhile that finished, is it okay if I ask you some questions?
Yeah, go for it.
How would you describe your overall experience completing this task?
Overall experience completing this task. Um, it's a it's a bit vague. I'm not sure. It seems pretty straightforward.
Okay.
Like if the task was to like use Vertex AI, it does seem pretty straightforward.
Okay. Were there any like well, what was the most challenging part of this task?
Um, Other than getting billing set up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's see. I think understanding the actual requirements is probably the biggest hurdle right now because I'm not sure if I understand what exactly the prompt is asking.
Okay.
That's why I think going into like some other like any sort of AI tool
Mhm.
um to figure out what sort of like different ideas this sort of project um actually is very helpful. So getting some technical documentation is like, oh, I can see what sort of project
Okay.
I could make from that prompt. Um, but yeah, so let me check. So
So was there any moment where you felt stuck or unsure about what to do next?
not not quite. Is there I guess yeah, like what would you say the scope of like what you'd want me to do is?
Can you click the preview button to see if that shows you something on the right? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. So preview.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So this is give them also mini map. So I'm actually still curious what Vertex AI is. There is some code here that is saying, oh, interesting. Okay. So Vertex AI, it seems it's not actually used to make applications. It's to oh no, where'd my chat go? Build preview? Uh-oh. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, this is probably kind of difficult.
Okay. Uh,
Um,
what will have helped you to move forward? At the when you were like feeling unsure what to do next.
hmm. I'm not even sure if I completed the task because
Oh, okay.
yeah, I think yeah, so it looks like there's I didn't even see this one, but Vertex AI lets you build an app here,
Hmm.
which is what I should have used.
Oh,
Then I could probably do this one.
yeah, yeah, that's fine. Go ahead.
And so, okay. Well, there it is, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, actually, yeah, that's perfect.
Mhm.
Um, okay.
Hmm.
Was there anything that would have helped you to move forward faster or in a more like assertive way?
Um, Probably the initial description of Vertex AI is like it gives you my like the screen with the prompt, but I'm oh, interesting. Yeah, so like when I see this, like the first thing I think is like type whatever I want to do right here. So if I
Hmm.
was trying to make an app, I would like put it in here. But like if I go ahead and submit this, it's actually sending me to like the model system
Hmm.
instruction. So like if I look at the code, I can see that this is like essentially making a prompt generator
Hmm.
with the code. Um, but my task is not that. So that's probably the most confusing. But I mean, other than that, like if I go here and I pay a bit more attention, then there is some build an app section. Okay. Yeah.
Uh, so thinking about the tools and the information you use during the task, such as the documentation and AI, you think did something felt inefficient or frustrating? Or,
Mm,
mhm,
yeah, no, the documentation isn't like the easiest to understand because it goes straight, like when I click on this, it goes straight into like the API for Gemini
mhm,
in Vertex AI.
mhm.
And if I were to like if I wanted to use Vertex AI, like this doesn't really mean very much unless I knew in the first place what Vertex AI was.
Okay.
So,
How confident do you feel that the solution you created will work in a real app environment?
you mean this one?
Yeah. Mhm,
Um, it's a good prototype. Like you can start off. It's a it's a good place to start off of. I could see right here. It only made a front end for this.
mhm.
Um, but it is. Yeah, let's see.
If
Yeah.
AI guidance and documentation were combined into one seamless experience, what might have
Um,
made this task easier for you?
hmm, AI guidance. I think the hard thing is that I'm not used to using AI guidance very much, other than like searching it up in Google and asking Gemini straight up. Um, like if I looked at Vertex AI, like just here, I'm not sure like what if there is like any AI guidance that I want to use.
Mhm.
So I probably should have asked Gemini how to make an app with Vertex AI.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if you could ask the documentation to present information in a specific format or like different format, for example, an step-by-step guide or a summary or a tutorial or even an example, will that have changed how would you approach this task?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
So yeah, so if you could ask the documentation or to get the information in a specific format, like, oh, give me a step-by-step guide or give me a video tutorial or an example, you think that will have changed the way you like work on this task?
If I were to ask, I think the thing is I probably wouldn't ask in the first place.
Okay.
Um, because like asking how to start something is less likely. It's more like let's say I'm trying to do something specific, then I would look towards asking, but the overall task itself was very general. So my first thought isn't to go and ask how to do this. It's more of like, okay, I have a prompt. I'm assuming that this prompt I'm assuming that this prompt will just do what I expect it to do, given a task and like given a tool. So,
Okay. And if you can, one last question. If you can ask a specific format for, like, if you were able to ask the documentation for a specific format or like tailor the information to your advantage or to your
mm-hmm.
liking, do you think that will be helpful for you, for your workflow?
Oh
Like
shoot.
if you say instead of just like typing, you wanna like say
Uh-huh.
tell the documentation, give me a video or give me a step-by-step guide of this error or this specific situation. You think that will be helpful for you?
Yeah, I think so. Probably not a video. But if I ask something like if I like give me a step-by-step guide of making an app using Vertex,
Mhm.
um, that would probably be helpful. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Good. Okay, so now let's move into the next task. We're gonna give you just two simple commands for you to run into Cloud Shell.
Okay.
Let's see if you can actually go back to the vertex, I mean to the cloud,
Cloud Console.
yeah, Cloud Console. And
Uh,
then,
So is it this one?
yeah, and then on the right side, there is an icon that it's called Cloud Shell. It's next to the green circle on the
Oh,
right.
this
Yeah,
one.
that one. Mhm.
Okay.
So now we're gonna give you, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, just hit authorized. And we're gonna give you this. Um,
mm, yeah.
Oh,
so
wait.
can
Uh-huh.
you copy that and place it there and click enter?
Okay.
And then this one after that.
One second.
Oh, yep, sorry.
This is, oh man.
Oh,
It's not
Okay.
letting me.
Oh, you cannot
oh,
copy it?
really? Okay. No,
Yeah.
no.
Let me send
There
it.
is, yeah, there is no like three dots. No, in the
Yeah,
chat
no,
box.
it's
Okay.
not.
Let me copy and paste in the Google slide. Just a
Oh, okay,
second.
yeah, sure.
Yeah. So,
And actually, yeah, it's there.
oh,
Yeah, it's
yeah,
there. Can you?
yeah. Slide 6. Yeah,
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
yeah, right there.
Thank you.
And then just on the slide 7, just can you copy the red text and just paste it there, please?
Okay, yeah.
And for this task, it's a simple 403 error. Um, so in the previous task, you created the prototype. Now imagine the feature of that this feature is being connected to the app, to the back,
Hmm.
the back end. So you are using an endpoint from Google Cloud.
Hmm.
But then when you run this application, it returns this 403 error.
I see.
So how will you go and fix that?
Um, all right. Yeah, I'd probably first look at this Python script. Okay, so there's an endpoint. Trying to call access granted. Raise event. So I am guessing this doesn't actually call the endpoint. Okay. Um, yeah, I would probably start off with, wait, let me read this. No, how it can be fixed. Identify why it's occurring, determine which performance to roll. Um, First of all, I would want to know what this endpoint is.
Oh, this is just like an hypothetical.
Yeah, but I would look for. Oh wait, okay. Permission on resource projects dot US central endpoints. I guess. Do I have to use Vertex?
No, no, no for this one. No.
Okay.
Yeah. No more
No,
vertex.
where's Gemini? There we go. Vertex AI user role to the account calling API. Go to console. Oh, interesting. Okay. Yeah, probably that. Um, recipe. I am. That's my I am. Admin. Oops. Mm-hmm. Then create a new role. Do I have access to create a IAM? What's it? Access new principal swap role. Oh my gosh, what is this? Hmm. Text AI is. Yeah, so it looks like I want to make a role for um the AI. It needs permission to what was it? Vertex AI. AI platform user. Vertex AI user. Okay. Yeah, I'd add that one. Wait a second. Did that actually add? Vertex AI user select. Okay. Wait. Oh, AI platform. Yeah, it's AI platform dot user. Hmm. AI platform dot. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Is it hallucinating? Oh no. Okay. What's the policy? Roles AI platform dot user. Running to locally. Hmm. Okay. Vertex AI service project. Um, Vertex AI. Inform Express user prediction service. What is predict? Okay. Where is AI platform user predefined roles? Um, Friends access. Um, I don't want to create a new role then. Um, Vertex AI. There we go. Oh man. Hmm. Did it get added? Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
that should
So,
enable it.
can you tell us why the error is occurring?
Huh?
Can you tell us why the error is happening?
Yeah. This error generally, the console or like whatever environment is trying to access like some endpoint in like Google's API for I guess this project with this Vertex AI.
Mm-hmm.
It requires roles. So like you have specific credentials that or generally you're assigned a some credential in an environment, and that credential has a set of um basically permissions that it can have. So like I'm like if I'm logged in as the Vertex AI user, then I can use like um the Vertex. So like all of these functions I can use. Um, and that's why when I was like I looked first to create the role because, Google said create a role,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, it says add it. No, it said add. I read that as create. So like I was trying to create a role to add all the privileges it needed, but and I guess that's user error on my part. And so like if you have the AI role enabled in your project, I'm assuming this console is connected to your project. So this shell will be able to hit these endpoints with the correct credentials, which lets you uh, use this resource. So if you had like some other application, then that application also needs the credentials.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Can you explain where you found the information that helped you to diagnose this issue?
Um, Diagnose generally this one. So if you go like if it's talking about IAM and admin,
Mm-hmm.
actually, yeah, this is where I for sure like was like add another role. This is like a pretty common pattern. So Um, yeah, that's essentially tells me that I have to enable permissions
Okay.
a in Google Cloud.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you. So how would you describe your overall experience with this second task?
I think it's pretty straightforward.
Okay.
Um, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I just haven't used like Google Cloud before, so I'm not sure where like to find a lot of these settings, but if I click around, I'll find it eventually. So
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
What was the most challenging part of this task?
Um, let's see. Is this correct? Vertex AI roles. Um, Probably just finding it.
Okay.
But like looking back at it now, I'm just like bad at following instructions, I guess. It was pretty,
Mm.
this was correct. So,
Okay. Was there any moment where you felt stuck or unsure about what to do next?
no, not really.
Mhm.
It's it's more like confusion. But if something's not there, then like I guess that's where that would be what's stuck is like if I do something that's wrong, but then like AI gave me this information, now I have to consider is the AI wrong or am I that's like my first assumption. But then um
Oh, so your first
around
assumption
it.
was that probably AI give you the wrong information?
Yeah, as of now, I'm kind of still
Okay.
not so oh yeah. So that's essentially what happened. I was like, okay. So I didn't know if I was looking at the right place, so I eventually just went to the documentation.
Mhm.
So that's
Are there any
yeah.
resources or things that will have help you to move forward at the moment where you feel like unsure?
Probably the documentation. Like I was able to find this page with roles and I think yeah, this one kind of shares like yeah, I think I
So
can probably find
what
this.
specific was kind of like inefficient from the documentation for you?
Inefficient?
Uh-huh. Yeah, like was there any information that the documentation gave you that felt frustrating or inefficient to solve this problem?
I don't think the documentation itself is was inefficient. I think that the thing is like if I'm looking at the documentation, that means like I really don't know what's happening and like I can't get a quick answer from any of my other resources. So it's like, okay, I'll look at the documentation now. So
Okay.
the documentation is generally like I trust documentation. So
What about AI? Do you trust AI?
not as much, no.
Okay. How confident do you feel that the solution you created will work in a real, like, do you think that the solution that you created will like fix the issue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty confident that
Okay.
well,
Hmm.
without testing, probably like 80%, but like I feel like this is the correct solution.
Okay. So, and I think that one of the last questions is, if AI and documentation were combined into one experience, do you think that would make the easier for the user to reach the information or get faster answers?
Hmm, I'm not sure because it's like two separate interfaces where documentation is very like you know what you're looking for in documentation and then so like um I guess I'm just not used to reaching for AI in documentation. It's like either I reach for AI or either I reach for documentation. I don't reach for AI that will point me towards documentation. Or at least in this interface, like I guess like yeah, this means AI now, but it doesn't feel very natural to ask like a search bar like where can I find
Mhm.
yeah, find information. about Vertex AI roles. Like that's probably what I should have done. But
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Um
And for
it
this task, oh, sorry, go ahead.
oh no, it just feels unnatural asking questions in a search bar. But
Mhm. So
yeah.
to you, the search bar is more like for how would you search on a search bar?
A search bar is for keywords. So like if I would search Vertex AI roles rather
Mhm.
than like treat it like a chat.
I see. Okay, that's good.
But yeah.
Okay, and the last question we have, it's if you could ask the documentation to present information in a specific format, will that have changed how you approach this task? Um, yep.
No.
No.
I'm much more comfortable with this format of documentation because in a sense it looks like it looks trustworthy.
Even if it's lengthy or
Yeah, no, even if it's lengthy, I'd prefer this one
okay.
because yeah, yeah, because like we're essentially taught to use the find key. So if I say, well, what was the thing that it asks, like AI platform user, then AI platform user dot user, like that's how I would find it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. All right. Well, thank you so much, Andrew, for provide us with this experience and kind of like teaching you how to use the documentation and the AI. It was really helpful for our study. Um, so we're gonna keep in touch just to see for the compensation. We need to get the approval from the department. But yeah,
Oh, okay.
much. Yeah, thank you. I think we're done for today.
Sounds
Thank
good.
you so
Yeah.
much for your time.
Yeah. Uh,